Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Jam Tours? Used to be Baby Jam Tours, you know that? Baby Jamaican Jam Tours. Eh? Baby Jamaican Jam Tours. Amesh, say aye. Say aye. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Yeah, family. So we're actually heading out and the road. I was waiting for Miss Jam Tours. But I just want to come quick and do this video, family, because as you know, guys, we are men, and I think men's voice is actually suppressed based on the comments that I'm getting from, you know, my videos that I did, or I did wrong, or I was scam, you know what I mean, and stuff, family. And men is actually supporting, and that's a show that we're living in a world of 90% of men now is simp. I just want to come and make this video, family. You know, I draw a contrast to this situation and just to show you the type of person Mwango is, family. So I just want to actually touch on this this family and let you guys know that, you know, Mwango tricks won't work in Jamaica. Why it won't work in Jamaica, family? Because she actually tried it in Jamaica. Her tricks won't work in Jamaica. She actually tried it in Jamaica and it failed. The reason why it failed, family, because Jamaicans, two bull can't really now one pen. So you have to understand that in Jamaica, Jamaican men are different. You know, I know you guys understand that, you know, Kish My World actually O-star in Sweden. And, you know, he actually clickbait and saying, oh, she say yes. It's like, you know, they want to be in a relationship or something or whatever. He actually clickbait. And then she traveled from Sweden, come to Jamaica. And then he was actually on the phone with her, saying he get his approval to go to Jamaica and stuff. So it seems like they already planned something, family. But when Kish My World get to Jamaica, it's a different ball game. Why? Because Kino is in the picture. And as I said, once I make my video, when it seemed like Kino was never feeling good about the situation, it's like Kish My World maybe calling or what they communicating, and him not like that, because Jamaican man is like this. They're not gonna use up them resources, the car to drive you around and you're on the phone with another man. No matter if you and them in nothing, or you and them are just friend, or what it is. Jamaican men is not like that. Jamaican men is like the way I see you with your woman and still I put talk to your woman. That's to show the type of man Jamaica is. So our tricks won't work in Jamaica. And if you know Mwango tricks already, is like, you know what I mean, Amesh, what you doing, boy? Amesh. Our tricks is like this. She actually you know what I mean, like to actually keep man in her orbit. You know, she have a man right now, she have somebody that take her around and carry her around, and even if you're not, you know what I mean, even if you're not maybe do the grown up or whatever, it's still coming like nothing, and she just keep it silent and keep it like nothing. So I'm not sure if it's the same situation with Kino, but Jamaican man not gonna stand for foolishness and know that for a fact. So when they say Kish My World have to fly out of Jamaica, that maybe wasn't his plan. His plan was to come and maybe spend the time with her then 90 days and they travel around the Caribbean together or whatever. You know, man, he feel like say yo, he'll have her in a relationship and stuff like that. But you have to understand that, you know what I mean, Mwango is not on that. Mwango is just up for the next man that she can use to get views. And that's it, family. So the analytic is that now, as you can see, you know, after I make my video and I actually, you know, kind of want Kino a little bit, as you guys see now, she start put his link in the description in every video that is the cameraman. And I was just saying that the fun and toy around, oh my cameraman, this and big laughing, and you can see that she's taking the man for a fool. So Kino have to actually stop her in her track right now and say, listen to me, man, you know what I mean, these things have to stop. So that's why you see now Kino mood kind of change and him lively up and him do him thing with her and stuff, carrying her around and stuff. But as you can see, get Kish My World get thrown on at the bus and him have to fly back to Sweden because, you know what I mean, you know Mwango show him the cold foot. And as you can see, there's evidence about that, because once you see Kish My World coming over reactors and commenting and reactors thing. And you know, once you actually comment and a reactor and Mwango know about it, you're not a friend again. So I'm sure there is no friendship with Kishma Roll and Mwango anymore. So this is just to show you guys. And as man, we have to speak up. You know, as man, when something is wrong, you got to talk about it, because we men are the teachers. You know, the woman are the nurturer and the man are the teachers. You know what I mean? You have to teach value into your family. So even my boy now, Amesh, growing up, I'll be telling him that your wife should be a virgin. When I have my daughter, I tell her that you should shave your virginity for your husband. Marry before you carry. All of these things I have to be teaching you. Eh? It's teaching you, yes. And as a family, that's the thing, family, we lost we lost the traditional way of life. So shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. And the traditional way of life, we lost that traditional way of life, family. So somebody can just go around and toying with people, and you know what I mean, not, you know, but trust me, all of these tricks what you're trying to play, it won't happen in Jamaica, because it's either. And Jamaican men are very jealous, and they're not gonna be around you. Whereas if they're sleeping with you and see you talking to another man on the phone, and as you know, the Mwango love Muzungu. So, and she's in the Muzungu area. Jamaica is just like that. I was actually in an establishment trying to get my business done, and in Kenya, you see a lot of Kenyan ladies with foreign men. But in Jamaica, you see a lot of foreign men. You see a lot of Jamaican men with foreign women. Why? Because Jamaican men are good men. Jamaican man is the best man. You know what I mean? So you see the opposite. In Kenya, they say the female, them say the man not so good. I don't know if it's true, but based on my observation, everywhere where I go, I'll see a Kenyan woman with a foreigner. And everywhere you go in Jamaica, in the tourists, you'll see a Jamaican man with a foreign woman family. So I'm just letting you guys know that that's what it is. The Mwango could be on our phone right now, messaging some Muzungu man ready to fly down from America or from all over the world, come to Jamaica. Jamaica is a tourist destination. You know what I mean? So she's just waiting, you know what I mean? So if Kino is actually, she and her, him want to start up something, you know what I mean? You can be sure that, you know what I mean, that's the reason why she a whole out, and she just be with him there and be with him there, and she a whole out. I remember when she was doing a live video, and a Jamaican said, "Kiss Kino for me." And you see her face change. Her face is like turned into into evil. Why? And Jamaican, that's just something we use in Jamaica when we want to heal somebody. They say kiss. I guess somebody will say kiss Amesh for me. Like a friend will say kiss Amesh. So it's not really a literal kiss, but it just said to heal up somebody. So that's what the person mean, but her facial expression change. She get evil. Like she say, Kino is not my husband. Why should I kiss him and all kind of thing? You know what I mean? So Kino, if you're watching this, my brother, are you actually sleeping with the Mwango? You know what I mean? You know, you have to watch yourself. Like, it's just, you have to understand us what it is. Because you can't catch feelings. When a Muzungu man fly down, you can't catch feelings, my brother. So you have to understand these type of people. That's how they is. You know what I mean? So I'm just giving out advice. As a man, we have to look out for the men, because man actually is advised to push in a corner right now. No man want to listen to a man. If I come out and say something, you even man, I find I defend, and I find all kind of option to discredit my claims. You see what I'm saying? You know? So I just want to let you guys know this, family, that this is the type of person you're dealing with. You have to be careful as a man, because as a man, the more you get hurt, the more, you know, you will learn still. You have to learn. But you have to understand yourself so you don't get hurt in a way that it actually mess up your head. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just making this video to let you guys know that Jamaican men, you know, they don't stand for foolishness. So all of these things you try in Jamaica, it cannot work. You know, if you're in Jamaica, you have to be with one man and one man. You cannot be with a man in Jamaica and on a phone with another one waiting to come, and you're telling this one, oh, we are just youth travel buddies. Oh, we just making videos together. Oh, we just this. You know what I mean? Jamaican man is very jealous. And it not gonna work for them. So if you feel like you can go to Jamaica, you know what I mean, link up with Kino, you and Kino there, him giving you everything and supporting you and stuff and whatever. And Kishma roll on the phone calling you and say, oh, when I come to Jamaica, remember we make plans, so we're gonna do this. Kishma roll come now and you want to leave Kino now and go to Kishma World. And then now when, you know what I mean, it doesn't work like that. And you have Kishma World in Kino car driving around and stuff. And Kino see that there is like feelings between the two of you, like Kishma World like you or whatever it is. It's not gonna work like that. No man not gonna carry another man in his car and drive up and down and, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. Jamaican is not like that. You have your man to do that. So that's what you have to know. Amesh, you don't want to sit down no more. Eh? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Play with that, yeah? Mommy soon come. Go with your Paris G. Yeah, family. So Amesh is miserably. Fighty. Yeah, family, so I just, want cut this video. Like, share and subscribe. Let me know your comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'm out.